Do you like cake? Do you like cake that is tender and buttery and packed with warm, spicy flavors? Well then, let's try this recipe. Best ever mini spice cake. First, gather everything you will need. We will need a square baking dish, or a mini bundt pan and non-stick cooking spray. Here are our ingredients. 1/4 cup softened butter, 3/4 cups brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon and ginger, 1/8 teaspoon ground nutmeg and cloves, 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon sea salt, and 1/4 cup of milk. Here are our steps. First, preheat oven to 350 degrees. Next, lightly spray a baking dish or pan with non-stick cooking spray. Then in a small bowl, beat the soft butter and brown sugar together until well mixed. You can use a spoon or an electric mixer. Now we can add the egg, oil, and extract and beat them together. Next, we need a medium-sized bowl for the dry ingredients. Use a whisk or a fork to blend together the flour, cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves, baking powder, and sea salt. In small portions at a time, add the dry ingredients to the wet ones. This allows for better mixing and less lumps in our cake batter. Once all the dry ingredients have been combined with the wet ones, mix in the milk. Now pour the batter into the prepared baking dish or bundt pan. Bake for 45 minutes. A toothpick stuck in the center should come out clean. If not, bake for another 2 or 3 minutes and check again using a toothpick. It's ready. Let the cake cool for 5 minutes on a wire rack before serving. Enjoy! If you like and plan to use this recipe, click that thumbs up, comment with a smiley emoji in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more easy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.